Hey designers, so some of my collections will have bonus layer styles. So for example, this Gilded Undergrowth collection has two bonus layer styles included. So if you just go to your folder, you're gonna see a file called Layer Styles. And you can simply double click on it, and then they should just show up here in your Photoshop Layer Styles. If you don't see this dialog box on your side, go to Window, Styles, and it will pop up. So they should populate just there. If for some reason your Photoshop doesn't, or your computer does not have Photoshop as the default program to open those, and you get some sort of message, then just go into Photoshop, go to Windows, Styles, get to your Styles dialog box, and on the right, top right, you can click Load Styles, and then you can load them from there, just like that. Or you could also go to Edit, Preset, Preset Manager, navigate to your styles and click load, the same thing, load them from there. But most of the time you should just double click them and they will be loaded up. And most of you are also familiar with layer styles, but if you're not, you just simply say you have some object, or here I'm gonna paint with the paintbrush here. It's in black, but if I click on the layer style, the first layer style, it's gonna be all goldy and flaky, which is quite cool. And then the second layer style that's included with this is very gold as well, but more like, I don't know, darker and more encrusted, kind of cool. So you can just click on them, and those are the two layer styles, and that's how to load a layer styles if the collection has that.